Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is another cleaning motivation video, but it's extra special because this is basically our travel prep routine, all the cleaning and everything we do to our apartment before we go out of town. We were going to North Carolina for my family's 4th of July vacation, and this is just everything we needed to do. So I am starting in the kitchen today because I wanted to run the dishwasher. I'm using this Trader Joe's citrus dish soap just to get everything nice and clean before I put it in the dishwasher. And I just wanted to get it going because I wanted to unload it, and I knew I would probably have to put in more dishes and run it again after dinner. I don't like to leave the house with any dirty dishes. I like them all clean and put away. So I am loading the dishwasher, and I have been using this Trader Joe's dish detergent gel. We just got it, so I'll let you know how we are liking it. But I also like to throw in some lemon essential oil just because I like the antibacterial properties of it, and also it kicks any gross scents inside the dishwasher. So I'm just tossing that in there. Then I'm going to start the dishwasher, and yeah, that's pretty self-explanatory. So great. Then I'm going to move on to the rest of the dishes. I had some like hand dry dishes. We're trying not to put our new knives in the dishwasher. Just cleaning the spoon rest, just like getting everything really nice and clean. There is nothing better than coming home from travel to a clean apartment. People think I'm crazy that I clean this deeply before I travel, but I don't want to leave things gross and dirty so they can get even more dirty while I'm gone. Do you know what I mean? So I'm cleaning the counters. I'm using this Method Honeycrisp Apple Surface Cleaner. I normally talk about the lime and sea salt one, but I love this one. This might be a limited edition fall scent that I stocked up on. I'm not sure, but even if it is, fall's coming soon, so you can grab it then. So I am just clearing the counter and then wiping it down, dusting everything. You've seen me do this before if you've ever watched any of these cleaning routine videos. I just like to get everything off the counter, dust everything, and put it back in its place. So yeah, I'm just making sure to dust everything, and then I'm also going to clean the sink. Normally I go in with that Mrs. Meyer's baking soda stuff, but not today. I just gave it a wipe down with the normal spray that I use on the rest of the kitchen, and that works pretty good too. I only do that I'd say every like 3 cleanings. I do the deep sink cleaning, but that stuff does work really nice. I'll link it down below if you want to know what I'm talking about. So just wiping down all the counters as well. Got to clean the stove, which I frickin' hate so much, but it has to be done. And your kitchen just looks so much cleaner once you clean your stove too, I've found. So just wiping all that down. Then I'm going to take up our new amazing Costco rug that I love so much and just really shake everything out of it. And then I'm going to take my new cordless vacuum that I am loving. It's life-changing, you guys. And I'm just going to vacuum the kitchen really quick. And I seriously cannot tell you how life-changing a cordless vacuum is. It's just so much easier to vacuum. I do it like 10 times more. Then I'm going to take out the trash. I did have to take out the trash again the next morning. We leave really early for flights usually. I like to get up and get it over with. So I took out this round of trash, and then we took out another bag the morning before we left, just so there was no trash left in the apartment. And then I have some laundry to do. I don't like to leave any dirty laundry in the apartment. So I am doing the linen laundry. I'm cleaning all the towels, all the sheets, and just anything. So I'm making 2 piles because I do like to use bleach on the towels. We got those from Costco. Love them. So I'm going to start that laundry. Then I'm going to clean the bedroom. I'm starting by diffusing my favorite Young Living lavender oil. This stuff smells so incredible. I diffuse it all day, but it also really helps me sleep at night, so I diffuse it all night as well. I am obsessed. So diffusing that and my doTERRA pedal diffuser. And while I was cleaning the bedroom, Bradley was cleaning the bathroom. We were tag teaming today. That's the anti-bac method stuff that I love. And I got pissed that Bradley unplugged my twinkle lights, so I plugged those back in. Then I am moving on to the bedroom. I'm taking the plant to the sink because it needs to be watered. And then I am just going to dust and use my Method Wood for Good daily cleaner. I will have all the cleaning supplies and pretty much everything that I can think of to link down below. I will link a bunch of stuff, so if you have questions, just look down there. And please don't mind the bed. We were packing. I also did a packing video. I will link that up in the corner, but yeah, I am just picking up all the stuff around the bedroom, just getting a nice clean base so we can clean it. Bradley is dusting and using the wood cleaner. Then we're moving to the living room, and again, got to diffuse more oils. And in the living room, I am using Citrus Fresh, my #1 favorite oil from Young Living. I use it in the morning to wake me up. It's just like the best energizing scent, but it also just smells so good because I love citrus scents. So I am diffusing that in my Desert diffuser from Young Living, which I am obsessed with. It's my favorite diffuser by far, and I've been liking the blue color to leave it on. So now I'm just picking up the living room. I like to tidy everything up before I start deep cleaning, which is probably common sense, but just getting everything up off the floor and up off the tabletops and the counters. So yeah, you've seen me do this 1,000 times as well, just dusting and cleaning using the Wood for Good spray that I freaking love. I did take the plant to the sink to get watered because I obviously like to water all of the house plants before we go out of town. So yeah, taking all the plants, including the little air plants. For the air plants, they just need to sit in a bowl of water for 30 minutes and then you leave them out to dry. So I have a few air plants, so they're all just sitting in there. Then I am going to water all of the house plants. All of these house plants do pretty well when I go out of town. They don't need that much water, so I just give them a good bath, leave them in the sink for a little bit to drain so they don't get wet everywhere in the apartment. And yeah, just everybody gets a bath. It's super cute. Oh, and my 2 little tiny plants. I have this snake plant that I love that doesn't need any light or any water. I don't know how it's still alive. It's amazing. And then my little succulent in my mushroom pot. But yeah, all my little plant friends, they make me so happy. And I didn't want any of them to die while I was out of town, and none of them did. They're all doing great. So yeah, I want a lot more houseplants. So coming soon. But they're all getting a bath. Then I'm going back to the living room to pick up the couch. Again, just tidying everything up, folding the blanket, putting it back in the blanket basket. I don't even know why I had a blanket out. It's pretty hot here, but I just love a blanket, you know? So tidying up, getting everything ready, fluffing up the couch. And then I am also going to clean the little table behind the couch just to get all the dust up. Then Bradley is sweeping the balcony. If you haven't seen my garden tour, I'll link it up in a corner, but here's our little garden balcony. This lemon tree sheds so much, it makes such a mess. And I was like, I cannot leave with this balcony looking like this. So Bradley swept it, and then I watered all the plants once everything was nice and clean. I'll show you a little trick towards the end of this video on how I water my plants while I'm out of town, but I knew they needed a good watering the day before I left. So I'm just watering everything, including my plumeria plant, which only needs to be watered once a week. And I wanted to show you that I have a new flower branch. I'm so excited. And also my new watermelon doormat. It's so cute. I'll link it down below. I got that as a shower gift. Then I took the air plants out and just put them on a paper towel to like drain and dry, and then I put those back in their pots. And then I just decided to diffuse stress away in the office as we continued to clean and make dinner and such. I love stress away. That bottle is now gone. So Bradley was blocking the camera, and I thought it was funny that he had no idea. So we are tag teaming doing the dishes and putting the dishes away. The dishes in the sink were from dinner, so we ran those in the dishwasher again and put them away the next morning. Again, can't leave a single dirty dish. Bradley is vacuuming the rest of the apartment. We picked up all of the little doormats and everything. We're clearly watching Mrs. Doubtfire, so that's great. The clean laundry is now back. I needed to empty the trash cans, so there's a trash can in the bedroom, trash can in the bathroom, and those needed to be emptied. This is how I water my plants while I'm out of town. You take a very small drill and you drill a hole in the top of a water bottle. Since we were going to be gone for a week, I got really big water bottles because I really didn't want my lemon tree to die. You fill them up with water all the way to the top, and then you basically just stick them in the soil, and it kind of allows it to drain water very slowly, so it keeps a steady watering while you're gone, and it's worked really well. I discovered this trick last 4th of July, and I love it. So yeah, then we were folding the laundry while we're watching Mrs. Doubtfire. Just again, a lot of anal things. Sorry, I used the word anal, but just a lot of things I wanted to get done and put away before we left on vacation. You just have a better, more relaxed time when everything's nice and tidy at home, you know what I mean? So we're just finishing up folding the laundry. I am going to vacuum the bedroom really quickly, and then that is it. We zipped up our suitcases and put them by the door for the early flight. And that is it, you guys. That is our travel prep, just pretty much cleaning, getting all the houseplants watered, getting everything clean and put away and tidy and nice. And coming back to a clean apartment is the best, I promise. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. Let me know if you want to see more of these kinds of videos. My next video will be a vacation routine. I did a little day in the life while I was out of town. And yeah, I love you guys. I'll see you very soon, and I hope you have a great day. Bye.